He's just rolling through these lights on us.
Detectives spot a wanted fugitive in a silver Charger with fictitious plates.
Yeah, Sarge, he's not stopping.
He gets away.
Get out! Keep your hands off!
Hours later, the suspect finds himself in a standoff with Dallas police.
Don't reach! Don't do it!
Law enforcement encounters can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised. The Dallas Police Fugitive Unit was closing in on a suspect who had spent years operating under a false identity, wanted on multiple felony warrants and a parole violation.
Hey, stop the car!
Stop the car!
Move your car, move your car. Stop!
Stop!
Go.
I don't think he knows that.
All right, come on. Yeah. Hey, Sarge, you roll through this light on us. We're continuing on. We'll stop when you want us to. We're back by the state.
I'll keep my lights on.
By the station. He's just rolling through these lights on us. You have your lights on, right?
Yeah.
Detectives had learned this individual was impersonating a federal agent, wearing police-style uniforms, and running fraudulent businesses used to employ legitimate off-duty officers. He was operating multiple vehicles, including a silver Dodge Charger displaying a stolen government license plate.
We're just off Fort Worth Beach, and we are headed that direction.
All right. Yeah, he's not stopping. We've hit him plenty of times. He is northbound on Market, crossing Jackson.
He's just gonna keep going through. Yeah, no, he's.
Yeah, Sarge, he's not stopping. He's to Maine. Looks like he's going through Maine. He's going through a red light. Do we have any coverts with him? Negative. No, he's going through red lights now. All right, he's shooting across. He got all the way in the right-hand lane. He crossed Jackson. I think he continues straight. Get me to the right. See if we can get eyes on him.
I don't know if he made it right or not.
Hours later, covert surveillance picks up the suspect arriving at a hospital parking structure, later observed leaving with an acquaintance in a white Mercedes and returning shortly after. Fugitive unit detectives move in. At 9:13 p.m., officers surround the Mercedes in the parking garage. The female occupant complies with verbal commands and is detained without incident. The suspect remains inside and refuses to exit.
We want you to feel peaceful. We want you to do what I ask you to do, and you won't get hurt. We don't want anybody to get hurt. It ain't working. I know your arm.
I got it.
All I want you to do is hey, when you exit the car, let it fall. Don't reach for it. Don't do anything. And nothing will happen. Just keep your hands up. What's your first day, man? Mike? Okay, Mike.
After many ignored requests to comply, SWAT is called in due to concerns that the suspect is armed and refusing to comply. SWAT continues negotiations for another hour. Shortly after 11 p.m., the suspect begins to exit the vehicle.
Come on. This is it. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out. Get out. Keep your hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Put your hand up. Don't reach. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hold.
Hey, get behind cover,
Hold.
On replay,
Get out.
as negotiations reached a critical point, SWAT deployed a less lethal chemical agent and a flashbang diversion device. Simultaneously, the suspect began to exit the vehicle.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Lowering his right hand, producing a handgun, and pointing it at officers.
Stand up. Put your hand up. Don't reach. Don't do it. Don't do it.
3 SWAT officers discharged their tactical rifles. The suspect fell to the ground.
Easy, 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 easy. Hey, get behind cover, Jeremy. Back up, back up, back up.
This is it. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out. All right, hey, we're fine, easy. Everybody good? Is everybody good? Okay.
Go to the right. Go to the right.
SWAT officers immediately secured the weapon. A SWAT medic began life-saving measures. At 11:09 p.m., the suspect was pronounced deceased. In the aftermath, investigators recovered the handgun in the suspect's possession. It was reported stolen. Additional weapons were found in the white Mercedes, the Dodge Charger, and later at his residence following a search warrant. In total, investigators recovered 11 firearms connected to this investigation, along with multiple ID cards and badges found inside the vehicles. Manufactured identities backed by manufactured institutions. According to investigators, he had been living this double life for many years and was, by their own account, very good at hiding it. It took a joint effort between Dallas Police Intelligence and a neighboring department to finally determine who he really was. And here is where this case takes a striking turn. Operating under the alias Mike King, the suspect had built a business contracting legitimate off-duty officers, and that business had a security contract. A representative who has since stated publicly that her office had no knowledge of his true identity or criminal history. But the full scope of this case, including evidence recovered from the suspect's apartment, is still being examined. Investigators have indicated there may be additional individuals involved. As always on this channel, we present the footage and the facts as released by investigators, no judgments on the outcome. And what you've seen today represents only a portion of what authorities are reviewing. If you want to stay informed on critical incidents happening in communities across the country, hit subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.